Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best air compressor is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have in your arsenal, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out. From inflating tires and powering nail guns to spray painting and sandblasting, the possibilities are virtually endless. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of air compressors, exploring the features, and helping you find the perfect one to meet your needs. Number 5. AstroAI Tire Inflator, Portable Air Compressor. This portable air compressor is perfect for your car tires. It's compact and easy to store, fitting neatly into your glove compartment or trunk. It is a great tool to have on hand. This inflator operates using your car's 12V DC cigarette lighter. The 9.8-foot cord provides ample reach for most vehicles. Remember to have your car running when using it. Easily set your desired pressure using the M, plus, and buttons. The device will automatically stop when it reaches the preset pressure. This feature saves you time and effort. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to store. You can keep it in your glove compartment, under your seat, or in your trunk. It's almost unnoticeable when not in use. The digital screen displays accurate pressure readings, and you can choose from 4 pressure units. Preset your desired pressure, and the inflator will automatically shut off. This feature makes it very convenient. It features a backlit screen and a flashlight for use in dim environments. The independent LED button enables one-press flashlight operation. It is a great gift for anyone. What we like. This inflator is incredibly compact, easily fitting in your glove compartment. It features a digital pressure gauge and an emergency LED light, making it perfect for roadside situations. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-store solution for your car, you should consider this. What people say. It plugs into car outlet for power and set the desired tire pressure, and it automatically shuts off when reached. When you hook it up, it tells you the current SI of your tire. You set the desired pressure, lock the nozzle on, and can walk away while it works. It only takes a minute and will shut off when it reaches the SI you set. The digital gauge is accurate, the auto shutoff works perfectly, and the whole process feels effortless. Number 4. R8 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Tired of slow inflation? This compact air compressor is a game changer. It inflates tires in record time, making it a must-have for any vehicle. The dual digital LED display shows real-time pressure and allows for easy preset adjustments. This user-friendly design ensures safe and accurate inflation every time. Crafted with high-quality materials and an efficient cooling system, this 12V air compressor is built for longevity. It includes a long power cord and hose for added convenience. With just 3 steps, you can inflate your tires effortlessly. It features auto shutoff and a memory function for ease of use. Plus, it has 3 light modes for emergencies. Get the R8 and receive a carrying bag and multiple accessories. It's the perfect gift, backed by a 2-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This air compressor boasts incredibly fast inflation speeds, getting you back on the road quickly. The dual digital display provides clear pressure readings, and the auto stop function prevents overinflation. If you value speed and ease of use, you should consider this. What people say. The pressure readings are accurate, and it shuts off right where I set it. The auto stop feature makes things so much easier too, it's nice not having to worry about overinflating. The auto shutoff works perfectly. Compact, light, and great to keep in the car. Number 3. Master Airbrush TC320 Air Compressor Kit. This professional-grade air compressor is designed for serious airbrushing. It delivers high performance with a powerful 15 HP motor, ensuring a consistent air supply for your projects. Featuring 2 built-in cooling fans, this compressor runs cooler, extending its continuous running time. The premium rotor windings further increase the lifespan, making it a durable choice. Enjoy precise air adjustment with the true diaphragm pressure regulator and gauge. The water trap filter provides clean, dry air, essential for quality airbrushing results. This kit includes an airbrush hose and holder for 2 airbrushes. It's maintenance-free, oil-less, and operates quietly at only 47 dB. The compressor is portable, lightweight, and compact, with a built-in carrying handle. It features an air-on-demand system that automatically shuts off air when not in use, and the air pressure adjustment range is from 0 to 57 psi. What we like. This airbrush kit is designed for serious airbrushing, with a powerful motor and dual cooling fans. It provides precise air adjustment and clean air, ensuring professional results. If you are a professional artist or a hobbyist looking for a reliable airbrush kit, you should consider this. What people say. The air compressor is very quiet. It has a good design. The product works well. Number 2. LICORNE Portable Tire Inflator. Introducing the LICORNE Portable Tire Inflator. This device is equipped with a powerful rechargeable battery, offering a 5x faster inflation speed. It provides up to 2 hours of cordless runtime, making it incredibly convenient. This isn't just an air compressor, it's a versatile tool. It features a top-mounted LED light for use in the dark. It also includes a C-type charging port and a USB output, serving as an emergency power source. It comes with 4 preset modes for bikes, motorcycles, cars, and balls. You can also customize the pressure up to 180 psi. Easily switch between different pressure units with the touch of a button. The large LED screen displays real-time pressure values. It inflates small car tires in less than a minute. The automatic shut-off feature prevents overinflation, ensuring safe and reliable use. Its compact, cordless design makes it easy to carry. It comes with a storage bag for your car, bike, or backpack. It's a must-have for drivers, cyclists, and adventurers. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for Father's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion. Please note, it is not recommended for utility vehicles. What we like. This portable air pump offers a cordless design with a powerful battery, making it incredibly versatile. It features multiple preset modes for various inflation needs. If you like the convenience of a cordless design and need a pump for various applications, you should consider this. What people say. It inflates tires in no time, and the pressure gauge is quite accurate. The digital display is clear, and the pressure gauge is accurate. The device worked quickly and efficiently. I filled all 4 tires in a short amount of time, from about 30 pounds to around 38 pounds. Number 1. ETENWOLF Vortex S6 Tire Inflator. Introducing the ETENWOLF Vortex S6, a powerful cordless air compressor. It's designed for heavy-duty vehicles, but also works great on cars, bikes, and inflatables. This air pump inflates tires incredibly fast. It can fill a 31-inch tire in just 1 minute. The gauge is accurate, and it can reach a maximum of 160 psi. The Vortex S6 has a built-in 19,200 mAh battery. On a full charge, it can inflate multiple tires. It also features a fast-charging USB-C port to charge the device quickly. This air compressor is built to last. The dual-cylinder design and cooling system allow you to inflate tires continuously. You don't have to worry about it overheating. It stops automatically when the desired pressure is reached. It also has preset modes and a memory function. Plus, the built-in LED light provides ample illumination. What we like. This air compressor is built for heavy-duty vehicles, with a high-capacity battery and a 100% duty cycle. It can inflate multiple tires without needing a brake. If you have a truck or other heavy-duty vehicle, you should consider this. What people say. The premium packaging, the very nice padded carrying case, and the overall build quality all scream high-end, robust, thoughtfully designed, and clearly built to last years, not months. It arrived nearly fully charged, and the included 45W fast charger had it at 100% in just minutes. You set the desired air pressure on the front dial, connect to the valve stem, start the compressor, and then it automatically stops when the right pressure is reached. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.